Reasons as to why you should invest here in Forest Grove. Number 1, accessibility. Roads, tick. Number 2, affordability. It is going for 1.1. You put a deposit of 100,000, the million you spread across for 1 year. Number 3, the conducive environment in this place, which is very nice for everyone, whereby hakuna mtu haizi suit kwa hii environment. Number 4, nimewambia it is already, it has value addition. We have trees, the cypress trees, which you can use to during your construction and so on. Number 5, ni kwa sababu tunawapatia kwa bei mzuri sana ambayo nimesema, na sisi kama kampuni hatuharakishi katika malipo. Like, I have so many reasons as to why you should come and invest with us here in Forest Grove. Just look around. I can feel the breeze, the sweet humming of the birds. Guys, you should come and visit us here. Give me a call, drop me a text, and I'll bring Forest Grove project.